We can finally see color. There she is. It is a huge grouper. Biggest I've seen. It is amberjack season, and we saw after some huge amberjacks fishing around this oil platform. We dropped our bait down in hopes to hook into a nice big amberjack. Well, we got a big fish on. It is fighting, it is pulling, but to our surprise, it wasn't an amberjack. Now, the first thing you have to do is you have to reel and fight this fish and get this fish away from the oil platform. You have to reel as hard as you can while the captain maneuvers the boat and attempts to pull the fish away from the legs of the oil rig, because that will cut the fish off, and that's the last thing you want to do.
Better not be a 4-pound fish. You're gonna be in trouble. Get him in the boat. Where's he at? Where's he at? Over there. Head shaking. Head shaking. Let's get him in here.
As much as you want to, you cannot stop reeling, because when you rest, the fish rest. We can finally see color. There she is. It is a huge grouper. Biggest I've seen.
How'd that feel? It was rough. It feels great though. He can't even talk. I don't see a yellow edge though, but it might be. Holy shit. What is it? I can't pick it up again. Woo! Let me see them guns! Let me see them guns!
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And please book your trips today. Come on out, let us take you on your next fishing adventure. Whether you're taking a 12-hour offshore trip, 36-hour, 48-hour, we have everything you need for your next adventure. Do not hesitate. Book early. Days, especially the weekends, go fast as we get closer into the spring and summer months. Let's go out there and get you on a big fish.